Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by working on hair that's clean and damp so strands cling when manipulated. This improves hold. First, pick uneven sections. Freeform thrives on irregularity, so you intentionally avoid uniform rows. Once you have 1/2 to 1 inch zones, clip everything you won't touch. Make sure to use small elastics only where knots start, and keep beeswax or gel handy for stubborn baby hairs. This gets you into action immediately and sets the foundation for natural, lived-in dreads. You now focus on the core matting process. Palm roll and twist each section in different directions so locks form irregularly. This variance creates organic texture. For resistant hair, backcomb lightly near roots and mid-lengths to add friction, then immediately smooth slightly to avoid excessive frizz. Once done, add a thin film of wax only where needed. Too much seals natural movement. Make sure to alternate techniques on neighboring sections so the overall look remains freeform and not artificially. You finish by encouraging maturation. Protect locks at night with a silk scarf and resist daily fiddling because movement helps natural locking. Once per month, tidy only visibly loose tips and trim glaring flyaways after several months when dreads have bulk. If a section unravels, don't panic. Rebackcomb the middle, palm roll, and secure it with a tiny elastic for 1 to 2 weeks so it reattaches. Finally, make sure to balance patience with minimal maintenance to keep the freeform aesthetic intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.